Hello and welcome to the Positive Choice Kitchen. My name is Karen and I'm a lifestyle educator here, and this is my son Julian. And today we are going to make carrot fries. So French fries are usually a family favorite, but at our house we love to make them out of carrots. They are tasty and nourishing. So Julian, are you ready to help me? Yeah, okay, here we go. So first, obviously, you need carrots, spices, whatever spices you want to put on your carrots, avocado oil. So first we're going to start with picking out our carrots. So which one? Julian has picked out these multicolored carrots. It's fun. They're purple, yellow, orange. And we're going to start chopping them up into French fry shape. So which one do you want to start with, Julian? Purple, yellow, orange? Purple? All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna, you want to cut off the end part there? The little end part? Yeah, way to go. Okay.
Chop it?
Chop it. Here we go. So when you're chopping up the carrots, a fun thing for kids to do is to cut off the tops or the bottoms, and it really depends on how crispy you want your French fries to be. I like mine, we like ours to be crispier, so I make them kind of small. So we're going to go ahead and chop up all these carrots. So Julian and I work together, we cut up our carrots, and now it's time to put them in a bowl. So let's fill up this bowl here, Julian.
Well, lots of carrots.
Lots of carrots.
Ooh.
Nice. So sometimes Julian loves to help with washing carrots or vegetables in general. There's so many ways that you love to help, don't you?
Yeah.
In the kitchen. All right, so now we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. I'm gonna put some in from a bottle, but the funnest thing to do is to spray avocado oil in there. Nice. All right, one more spray. Sometimes the spraying can get super exciting. So now it's time to add spices. And with this step, you can add whatever your heart desires, what you're in the mood for, or whatever is in the kitchen. So what should we add, Julian? We've got garlic, herbs de Provence.
I want this one.
That one?
I
Okay.
want all of them.
Okay. Put just a few shakes on there. Nice. You want to put this one on too?
And they might get a little messy, but you can just clean it.
Yeah, that's right. Things might get messy, but we can always clean it up. That's our motto.
That's a little.
Just a little bit? Okay. You want to add some of this one?
Yep. Shake it. Shake it. And try it out. Back it up. Tip it.
Nice. All
You might
right.
get too much, but you
Yep.
take them out.
That's right. All right. You ready to mix it up?
Yep.
So if I'm doing this, I just kind of toss it. It's fun for the littles to get to use a utensil, spin it around. So basically you just want to coat everything with some oil and with the spices.
Yep.
All right. And while he's doing that, I'm going to go get the pan. All right. So now we are...
A little messy, you can just wash.
Yeah, so Julian's saying, yeah, your hands can get kind of oily and messy, but then you can just wash them off. Is it kind of fun to get your hands messy?
Yep.
Oh, and he is off to wash them. So what you want to do is just spread them out, and then we're going to place them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and we are going to flip them halfway through.
I need to wash.
Okay, so our carrot fries are done. Julian is just eating them right off the tray here, and he's dipping them in his sauce of choice, which is ketchup. Sometimes at home, we put Parmesan on it, and we pretend that the Parmesan is snowing on the carrot fries by Julian. And then pick whatever sauce that you like to put it in, and enjoy.